forward to your comments and suggestions. I'm here to bring you a pivot table technique that will dramatically change your data analysis. Today, you will learn about drill down and grouping. It's incredibly easy to do. And if you can do this, your Excel skills will improve a whole lot. Remember the pivot table we created in the last lesson? You had dates lined up in row labels. Today, you will learn how to drill down further into that date and analyze it. This is what we call drill down. We will drill down deeper into the data layers from year to quarter, month, and day. In addition, we will discuss grouping to organize your data. Let's get started and go over the worksheet to put it into practice. First, please take a look at this pivot table. This is created in a database format. Mastering this database format is an important knowledge that will greatly improve your IT skills. Let's review a few things. On the left side of the screen is the correct database format, and on the right side is an incorrect example. Can you see where the problems are? There are 5 problems in total. Ready? Don't forget to click. The red area is the mistake. Headings should be unique. Duplicates are confusing when extracting data. 1 data per line. Do not cram multiple data into one line. Cell merging is strictly prohibited. Data will not be read correctly. Avoid blank cells. Missing data will not allow for accurate analysis. Always enter one line before the title. By following these points, you can preserve the quality of your database. If you find these errors in your colleagues' or friends' tables, please help them correct them. They will surely recognize your skill. 1. Fix duplicate headers. When you come across duplicate headers, make them unique by modifying them. If you need them to be the same, consider adding a suffix like _1, _2, and so on. This helps prevent confusion and ensures Excel can properly handle the data. 2. Unmerge cells. Always avoid merged cells, especially when dealing with data. Unmerge them and make sure each row contains a single value, even if this means duplicating some entries. This makes your table much easier to work with. 3. Remove unnecessary separators. In some cases, like here with the February start row, separators just clutter your data. It's better to remove these. If you need to visually separate sections, use a pivot table instead. Excel will handle the structure for you automatically. 4. Fill in blank cells. Don't leave blank cells. If it's a number, input 0, and for text, use none or something similar. This ensures consistency in your data and avoids errors when you perform calculations or create reports. 5. Be sure to place the titles one line apart so that Excel does not misidentify them as part of the table. Now, let's get back to the main topic. Let's take a look at the drill down in action. Notice this column A. If you click on the plus sign here, the data in years will expand to quarters, months, and days. This is the drill down. Now let's ungroup the grouped data. Select any cell in the table and press Alt plus Shift plus left arrow key. See, the grouping has been ungrouped and the day-by-day data is now listed. Now let's try the grouping again. Select the table and this time press Alt plus Shift plus right arrow key. A dialog box will appear where you can set the group of values you want to see. This time, select months and days and set the time period. Next, try to drill up by month. Click on the plus sign and try to move up the layers. Easy, isn't it? But there is actually an easier way make sure the Analysis tab of the pivot table is selected. Collapse Field and Expand Field, and you can drill up or down in an instant. It's so quick and intuitive to use. Finally, let's group the column headings as well. Select stores B and C, and do the same with Alt+, Shift+, right arrow key. Grouping done. If you want to add store F, just drag and drop to reorder the columns. If you want to undo the change, the same shortcut can be used to easily ungroup. That's all for today's lesson. Please click the like button and save the file. And please watch it repeatedly to hone your skills. Please look forward to the next lesson.